Hi, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads in Jackson Center, Ohio at the Airstream factory. And actually on this tour, it's just Jan. This was a tour that I took my independent living residents from Brethren Retirement Community on. And it was a wonderful, fabulous tour. This Airstream factory tour is free, but you must call ahead and schedule your tour. And you must wear closed-toed shoes. Not a problem in the winter, but for women in the summertime, you have to remember to wear closed-toed shoes. Once you get there, you're directed where to check in, and you'll be given safety goggles and an ear set or headphones, and then you'll wait until your tour starts. Photos are not allowed inside the factory, but you can take them in the lobby, the gift shop. They even have a Starbucks inside this factory, and they have a museum. But once the tour starts, there's no photographing. The Airstream Museum is wonderful. I highly recommend you include this in your tour. This company has been in business since 1931, and they told us that 75% of their travel trailers are still on the road. Some of them have been redone, and this one they even did for a president. Their museum is extremely well done, with lots of information. If you like history, you'll enjoy reading the plaques on the wall. And if you don't, you'll just enjoy the tour. Once you take this factory tour, you will be even more impressed with these iconic travel trailers that are so well loved around the world. This is their only factory, and it's a state-of-the-art factory. And you'll be impressed by all the quality that goes into this. And so much of what's inside these trailers is made right there in the factory. They even make the curtains right there. As you travel down the highways and back roads and come across the Airstream travel trailers, you will know that they were made right here in Ohio, and what a quality product they are. Thank you, Airstream, for the great tour. We really enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. And as always, if you know someplace great that we should check out, please let us know. We're always up for an adventure.